Please use the avatar and tell me about the 14th Amendment. And could I have a paragraph response, please? It'll look it up, do several sentences, and then give me that back in the avatar.
The 14th Amendment is a cornerstone of American civil rights law. It was ratified after the Civil War to secure the rights of newly freed slaves and all citizens. Its most famous clauses address citizenship, due process, and equal protection under the law. The Citizenship Clause defines national citizenship based on birthright or naturalization. The Due Process Clause protects individuals from government deprivation of life, liberty, or property without proper legal procedure. The Equal Protection Clause mandates that no state shall deny any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. These provisions have been interpreted by the Supreme Court to safeguard fundamental liberties against governmental overreach. It remains a critical check on federal and state power in American jurisprudence. In essence, it solidifies the concept of inherent rights belonging to all persons under the law.
So this takes the avatar. It's really like a sidecar service. It's on a separate port, but this puts a tool call, right? A skill in there that lets you essentially pipe the output of your answer or any activity with OpenClaw over to the avatar. So the avatar kind of floats and it doesn't have to be on. It could be just voice, so you could turn the avatar itself off. But the tool call is what makes it work. And again, the sidecar services here. There's voice to text, text to speech, and of course the avatar itself involved. Thanks.